Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. Yes, I'm walking and I'm talking to you guys. I want you to have a look at this. We had a massive delivery of wood chips free at the allotment, and I have gone crazy and cuckoo with it because this is going to add value to my garden. As you guys know, I like to do no dig and wood chips in my garden walkway. And I'm telling you, this is a pile that is here that is going into the walkways of the garden bed. That is fine, but that's not why we're here. Give you a quick update what I've done, because we had so much compost, done from last year to this year. I said I needed to double it up, so that's what I did. I saw the amount of wood chips or wood chip that was delivered to the allotment, and I couldn't resist to just do something spectacular, which was double up. Yes, guys, remember, this is my old compost box. It is doing great. Let's get into here. I've been chopping up stuff from my home and been adding a lot of things into it. Let me show you. Voila. What do you say? Voila. Yes, I have put wood chip in here as well. Wood chip is all over this. And I wanted to do the temperature check as well while I'm here, because I do have my thermometer. Let me grab my thermometer here. I tend to put things down and I can never find them. Here it is, getting wet in the rain. That's a thermometer. The ideal temperature is in the 70s or the 60s, because I'm doing hot composting, so that would actually ensure that it breaks down faster. And yeah, let's see if there's any activation in here. Let's see if he's going up, guys. Do you see the temperature? Let me wipe that up for you guys so you guys can see it. So the temperature right now, we're at about 20, and it looked like it's still going up. About 20. I'll call it 20 for now, but don't you worry, it's gonna go up. But let me show you the master right now, which is, I fill this up with just wood chips. I've added some moisture to it. I have cut some plastic bags that I had sitting around doing nothing, put it in this new garden bed. No, garden bed. I don't mean it's garden bed. I'm so stuck in garden. This is new compost box that I literally threw together. It's at an angle. It looked like a diamond. Look, I'll give you guys an idea. So yeah, that's not really attached there, and it's not really attached here. I literally had to do some pinning here. Your boy was just trying to knock it in and get as much of it before other people at the allotment remove this. But you see the temperature in that one hasn't gone up yet, because I just finished that one yesterday with the wood chips on top of what's underneath. But I want you to see something here. Look, let me zoom in. See the temperature here? 30. We're hitting 30s. We're heading towards that 40. Come on now. You could do it. Can we make it a 40? Can we make it to the 40? Come on, you know you can. 40 degrees. Look at that. This was only done about 2 days ago, and the temperature is rising. And I had some idea. I'm just thinking out loud, like in my head, like if we can get temperatures like this just by using natural organic matter. Just imagine if you had a home and then you can do composting underneath your house bottom with something to radiate the heat into your house for 40 degrees. And that's Celsius, guys, not Fahrenheit. 40 degrees Celsius, that is hot. And then in the winter, before the winter comes in, you pack all the wood chips, whatever, blah, all the food stuff, and some sort of mechanism, I haven't got a clue. And then you radiate the compost heat, which is a natural form of decaying, and then change it into good soil. Then you take the soil in the summertime and put it in your garden, you see what I'm saying? And then you heat your house without paying a bill. Think about it. Natural material that you would have thrown away in the bin and it ends up in some sort of skip or whatever, or a dump. You can throw it straight underneath your house bottom that heats up, compost up, give you soil, give you heat in autumn and winter, and then you're gonna be eating good. I might have just, yeah, it's an idea. Take it and run it. Whoever wants to invent something like that, I think they might have already got something like that, but they're not talking about it. But hey, it is what it is. But that's a great way. And that temperature is really amazing right now. Just imagine that you can keep the full circle. And that is just a quick update about the compost and what I've been doing with the wood chips in the allotment. There's some more coming. I'm gonna do another one soon because I need to fill up these beds. I gotta fill them up. And because I'm not gonna be planting anything extra in a couple of them, I got the pile of wood chips at the top. I'm not gonna add some natural organic matter underneath it and use the wood chip to cover the top of them up, and then let it decay over the winter, and it will be ready to plant in the summer, maybe spring. It is what it is. But you guys, this is boy Mr. Green Hands, as I said. Take care of yourself and, of course, the planet, because we have to. And here goes my runny nose. Let me get out of here. It's too damn cold. Yes, it's cold. Yes, it is. Let me get out of here.